Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into some fabulous sari fashion trends of Charlie Chauhan. Let's jump right in. Charlie exudes grace in a classic silk sari, perhaps in rich jewel tones like emerald green or royal blue. Paired with a contrasting blouse and accessorized with traditional jewelry, she effortlessly embodies timeless elegance. Opting for a modern twist, the beauty may choose a sleek georgette or chiffon sari with contemporary patterns or embellishments. She pairs it with a trendy blouse featuring unique cuts or designs, giving her ensemble a chic and fashionable edge. Known for her experimental style, Charlie occasionally mixes traditional Indian saris with Western elements. She might pair a traditional silk sari with a trendy crop top or a denim blouse, creating a fusion look that's both eclectic and captivating. Sometimes, she opts for a minimalistic approach, choosing simple yet elegant saris in monochrome or subtle hues. She keeps the focus on clean lines and understated elegance, letting the fabric and draping style speak for themselves. Drawing inspiration from the past, Charlie occasionally dons vintage-inspired saris with retro prints or motifs. She pairs them with retro accessories like vintage brooches or classic handbags, channeling old Hollywood glamour with a modern twist. For more casual or outdoor events, Charlie may opt for breezy cotton saris in bohemian prints or tie-dye patterns. She pairs them with loose, flowy blouses and accessorizes with eclectic jewelry, embodying a carefree yet stylish boho chic aesthetic. The actress occasionally gravitates towards saris adorned with intricate embellishments like zari work, sequins, or intricate embroidery. These opulent saris exude regal charm and are often reserved for special occasions or red carpet events. Paired with statement jewelry and a flawless makeup look, Charlie's regal sari ensembles command attention and admiration. Embracing the allure of sheer fabrics, Charlie effortlessly pulls off saris with sheer panels or overlays. These saris offer a tantalizing glimpse of skin while maintaining an air of sophistication. Whether it's a sari with sheer lace detailing or a chiffon sari with a translucent pallu, Charlie carries these ethereal ensembles with grace and confidence, epitomizing modern femininity. The actress showcases her artistic flair through saris featuring unique prints, motifs, or hand-painted designs. From abstract patterns to nature-inspired motifs, these artistic saris reflect Charlie's eclectic taste and creative spirit. She often pairs them with unconventional blouse styles or accessories, adding a touch of whimsy and individuality to her ensemble. Charlie occasionally opts for saris made from eco-friendly fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo silk, or hand-woven textiles. These sustainable saris not only align with her values but also exude a rustic charm and authenticity. Paired with minimalist jewelry and earthy tones, her sustainable sari looks resonate with conscious fashion enthusiasts. Drawing inspiration from diverse cultures, the beauty embraces saris featuring intricate motifs or weaving techniques from different regions. Whether it's a Banarasi sari with South Indian temple borders or a Kanjivaram sari with Rajasthani mirror work, she celebrates India's rich textile heritage through her eclectic sari choices. These cultural fusion saris pay homage to tradition while reflecting her cosmopolitan style sensibilities. When stepping onto the red carpet, Charlie elevates her sari game with glamorous ensembles that exude sophistication and allure. From sequin saris with a touch of sparkle to figure-flattering draped saris in luxurious fabrics like velvet or satin, she commands attention with her red carpet sari looks. Paired with statement jewelry, sleek hairdos, and impeccable makeup, her red carpet sari ensembles are nothing short of show-stopping. Charlie occasionally channels vintage glamour through saris reminiscent of bygone eras. Whether it's a retro-inspired polka dot sari, a vintage floral print sari, or a classic Kanjivaram sari with a timeless appeal, she adds a touch of nostalgia to her sari ensembles. When attending destination events or beach weddings, the actress embraces breezy and glamorous saris that capture the essence of the locale. She opts for lightweight fabrics like chiffon or organza in vibrant tropical prints or soothing pastel hues. These destination-inspired saris feature playful embellishments like shells, beads, or tassels, adding a touch of beachy charm to her ensemble. Paired with beach waves and minimalistic accessories, her destination sari looks radiate effortless chuckness and vacation-ready glamour. Bold prints are a staple in her sari wardrobe, as she effortlessly pulls off saris featuring striking patterns like geometric motifs, tribal prints, or abstract designs. These power print saris make a strong fashion statement and are perfect for events where Charlie wants to stand out from the crowd. She balances these bold saris with understated blouses and accessories, allowing the prints to take center stage and showcase her fearless sense of style. Drawing inspiration from India's royal heritage, the beauty occasionally dons saris reminiscent of Maharani style. These regal saris feature opulent fabrics like brocade or velvet adorned with intricate embroidery, pearls, or precious stones. Whether it's a Banarasi sari with intricate gold weaving or a velvet sari with royal motifs, her royal revival sari looks exude timeless elegance and majestic allure. Paired with heirloom jewelry and a regal hairdo, she embodies the grace and sophistication of a modern-day princess. For whimsical and romantic occasions, Charlie embraces saris that evoke a fairy tale-like charm. She opts for ethereal fabrics like tulle or organza in soft pastel shades, adorned with delicate floral embroidery, sequins, or lace detailing. These fairy tale saris feature dreamy drapes and flowing silhouettes, creating a mesmerizing and enchanting aura around Charlie. Paired with dainty accessories and soft, romantic makeup, her fairy tale sari looks transport us to a world of magic and romance. When attending high-profile fashion events or couture showcases, the actress opts for saris crafted by renowned fashion designers. These couture saris feature exquisite craftsmanship, innovative silhouettes, and luxurious fabrics that push the boundaries of traditional sari draping. Whether it's a sculptural sari gown, a hand-painted masterpiece, or a sari embellished with Swarovski crystals, Charlie's couture sari ensembles are a testament to her impeccable taste and discerning eye for luxury. She experiments with unconventional fabrics like metallics, latex, or even unconventional materials like recycled plastics, creating saris that are both innovative and daring. These avant-garde saris feature bold silhouettes, unexpected drapes, and avant-garde embellishments like chains, studs, or 3D appliques, making a bold fashion statement on the runway or at avant-garde events. With her fearless approach to fashion, her avant-garde sari looks challenge traditional notions of beauty and inspire fashion-forward individuals to embrace creativity and individuality. Celebrating India's rich cultural diversity, the beauty occasionally showcases saris representing various regional traditions and folklore. From vibrant Bandhani saris of Gujarat to intricately woven Pathani saris of Maharashtra, she pays homage to the country's cultural heritage through her sari choices. These cultural extravaganza saris feature traditional motifs, weaving techniques, and craftsmanship passed down through generations, embodying the spirit of India's diverse cultural tapestry. Paired with traditional jewelry and accessories, her cultural sari looks are a testament to her appreciation for India's rich cultural heritage and traditional craftsmanship. Embracing a bohemian-inspired aesthetic, the actress infuses her sari ensembles with laid-back yet luxurious boho chic vibes. She opts for saris featuring earthy tones, tribal prints, and eclectic textures like tie-dye, fringes, or patchwork. These boho luxe saris exude a free-spirited charm and effortless elegance, perfect for outdoor festivals, beach parties, or intimate gatherings. Paired with layered jewelry, suede boots, and tousled hair, her boho luxe sari looks capture the carefree spirit of bohemian fashion while maintaining a touch of sophistication and refinement. The actress embraces saris crafted by artisans using traditional handloom techniques and natural dyes. These ethical saris not only support local communities and preserve traditional craftsmanship but also embody a sense of timeless elegance and authenticity. Whether it's a hand-woven khadi sari or a sari crafted from organic cotton, her ethical elegance sari looks showcase her commitment to conscious living and sustainable fashion. Paired with minimalist accessories and a radiant smile, her ethical sari ensembles resonate with eco-conscious fashion enthusiasts and inspire others to make mindful choices in their fashion consumption. Blending elements of fantasy and folklore, Charlie occasionally dons saris inspired by mythical creatures, fairy tales, or fantasy worlds. Charlie often showcases saris crafted by skilled artisans who specialize in intricate handwork and traditional techniques. These artisanal saris feature exquisite detailing such as hand embroidery, mirror work, or intricate thread work, showcasing the artisan's dedication to their craft. Her support for artisanal saris not only highlights their craftsmanship but also promotes sustainable livelihoods and preserves age-old traditions. Whether it's a Fulkari sari from Punjab, a chikankari sari from Lucknow, or a Kantha sari from West Bengal, each piece tells a story of heritage and craftsmanship, making Charlie's sari ensembles not just a fashion statement but a celebration of India's rich artisanal heritage. Embracing a cosmopolitan outlook, the beauty seamlessly blends elements of different cultures and fashion trends to create sari ensembles with a global appeal. She incorporates influences from diverse cultures such as African prints, Japanese motifs, or Moroccan patterns into her sari choices, resulting in eclectic and vibrant looks that transcend borders. Whether it's a sari with batik-inspired prints, a kimono-style draped sari, or a sari adorned with tribal motifs, Charlie's global fusion sari ensembles reflect her openness to diverse perspectives and her appreciation for the beauty of cultural exchange. Drawing inspiration from the romanticism of the Renaissance era, Charlie occasionally opts for saris reminiscent of the opulent fashion of that period. She chooses saris featuring Renaissance-inspired motifs like florals, scrolls, or ornate borders, crafted from luxurious fabrics like brocade or jacquard. These Renaissance romance saris exude an old-world charm and sophistication, evoking the grandeur of Renaissance art and architecture. Paired with vintage-inspired jewelry and a soft, romantic makeup look, her sari ensembles transport viewer to a bygone era of romance and elegance. Always ahead of the curve, Charlie embraces saris that reflect the latest fashion trends and runway influences. Whether it's saris featuring statement sleeves, asymmetrical drapes, or unconventional hemlines, she effortlessly incorporates contemporary elements into her sari ensembles, showcasing her fashion-forward sensibilities. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.